contact with the party husband.
Arngut ki Koidi ki bala Lait Phet na Nongpoh Civil Hospital hakapor by kidang Syak Sumar kila Iohkem Biang u Senior Superintendent of Police u VS Rathor ulapin shisha bala Biang ya u Sunil Das arphokhandai snem karta bat u Papu Chetri laipo ar snem karta haka arphokhandai tarik u Jemang arajar arphosan daga jingarap chungki Pulit ka North Karo Hills u Sunil Das ula Lait Phet haka khatsan tarik unai wieng arajar arphosau bat lapen ngat hakikam bamman beper Baro Arngut ki Koidi ke la Phet Sha Azam da ka bapen don kam da ki jingpen ithu ki bathok.
Sunil Das is a convict. He is undergoing life imprisonment, and Pappu Chetri is a UTP, and both were in judicial custody, and they were brought to hospital for some medical treatment, during which they managed to escape. So since then, district police was looking for them. We were searching for their latest whereabouts and everything. So after a persistent effort of last almost 5 to 6 months, they were located in Dudhnoi. So immediately North Garo Hills Police and Assam Police was requested to help, and after engaging confidential sources, we managed to nab them both.